Want to unlock the VPN Goldmine and make money online in the USA? In 2026, VPNs are not just about privacy, they are powerful tools for boosting your side hustle. Stick with me for 1 minute and I will show you how to turn a VPN into easy online income. Here's how VPNs become money hacks. Access premium rates, freelance platforms and survey sites often pay more when you connect through US servers. A VPN helps you tap into those higher paying gigs. Protect your hustle. Online work means online risks. A VPN encrypts your data, keeping hackers away from your payments and personal info. Expand opportunities. Some platforms are geo-restricted. With a VPN, you can bypass those limits and open doors to global side hustles that pay better. This isn't about cheating the system, it's about working smarter, securing your hustle, and maximizing your earning potential in the USA. So, the VPN Goldmine is real access, security, and opportunity all rolled into one. Start small, stay consistent, and let your VPN work for you.